Good afternoon, Alec. Michael here with Discount Forklift Vegas. Today I get to introduce to you Miss Nancy. Nancy is your EKKO EKKO EK18RFL. I believe that's that model number. EK18RFL, excuse me. Stand-up, counterbalance, docker, forklifts. Excellent machine. It is indeed a 3-stage mast. It's got safety, red and yellow painted forks for you. We've got your service sticker. It's a brand new unit. We had our technicians look over everything, put the safety stickers on there for you, and she's ready to rock and roll. We can get this delivered for you ASAP. Coming home with you as well is our Discount Forklift tote bag. You get an Octane Forklift hat. You get a Discount Forklift t-shirt, which shows you the evolution of material handling. And then most importantly, coming home with you is a Discount Forklift maintenance guide. It's going to give you daily, weekly, monthly checkups to do on your forklift to keep it running in excellent condition. So make sure to refer to that regularly. I'm going to set this down in the background here. I'm going to hop on the forklift, show you all the different functions on it. To turn on the machine, there's a main power switch. It's this red button. You just want to pull that up. Whenever you're not using the forklift, I would just push that down and it'll kill all the electronics. This is an alternative charging connector. You're probably not going to need this, but if you do, it's coming with the forklift. Just turn the key switch on to operate the hydraulics and move the machine. There's a foot pedal within the driving center. Just push that down and it'll give you the ability to move the forklift forwards, backwards, up, down, operate the hydraulics. Let's go ahead and start moving this thing. You want to pull the lever with your finger to move the machine. It's a trigger finger, if you may. Right, nice tight turning radiuses. We'll go forward now. The beep only sounds when you are in reverse. The tighter you crank the turning wheel, the slower it's going to turn. That is a safety feature to make sure that you don't topple over while you have a load on the forklift. And then this lift does have a turtle mode and a few different driving modes as well that you can play around with. Now let's show you the hydraulic functions. Again, pull that trigger finger in to move the machine or operate the hydraulics. We're going to raise the forks up to the maximum height. As you approach the top stage, I usually like to slow down just a tad so you don't slam the hydraulics. Coming back down. And then we're going to have the tilt function, which you have thumb buttons you're going to press. So pull the trigger finger in. You got your tilt. And then we have a side shift function as well, which is helpful if you need to move a pallet high up on your racks, so you don't have to move the entire forklift in order to shift the pallet left or right a few inches. We'll bring these forks back down. And then on the dash right here, you do have a schematic basically on how to operate all the different functions on there. That's going to be right here. It's going to show you how to lower it, raise it, drive forward, drive backwards, the different buttons and all their functions. You have right here your lights. That's the rear light. And then the front lights as well, LEDs. That should last a long time. And then over here, you also have the dash, which is going to show you all the different modes that you can operate on. If there's ever any issues with it, you're going to have the code readings as well, which are easy to look up. I'm going to allow Miss Stephanie to do a 360-degree walk around of the unit. All serviced up, ready to rock and roll for you, Alec. And then the spec plate is just on the back side over here. Right down there, and I'll get a little shadow on there so it's not hard to see.